Hey everyone, I'm going to share with you guys how I make resin pins using the Papermate Inkjoy pins. But first, I'm going to put a clip in of how I cleaned off this little area where they have the hearts and where the clip used to be on the pin. Now next I will do the sanding part. After I clean all this up, I'll try to sand and take this words off of here and just do a sand through the whole pin. So here's some of the pins that I've already put glitter and epoxy on. So the bottom layer where I put the glitter on, I use the epoxy method. So I put epoxy and then put glitter and then let it cure overnight. And this one already has 2 more layers of epoxy on top of it. Now I'm gonna put the decals on them with a name, since these are custom order pins. First I'm gonna sand it just to give a smooth surface to put the decals on them. So that's smooth enough. Now I'm gonna put this name on the other pins, and then after that I'm gonna put epoxy on top of this, and I will need about 2 layers of epoxy to complete the pin. Next I use my epoxy that I use for everything, and this is by the Epoxy Resin store. And if you would like, you can order off of their website, and you can use our coupon code. If you just type in sisters 10, SISTERS, and the number 10, then you can get a 10% off. But I believe you do have to spend $20 or more to use that coupon. So I just measure 1 ounce of part A, since this is a 1-in-1 ratio. And I just use a small cup, medicine cup, because I don't use that much epoxy. Over there. Go over there. So I just use 2 ounces, 1 ounce of A, 1 ounce of B, and then I stir it. And these little stirs I got from the Dollar Tree, I think, when they had like a little summer release. And since I don't use a lot of epoxy, I just use this small little, I think it's a These little heart picks.
So, yeah.
Now normally I would spray paint my pins, but since this is black, it will be okay. I usually use black spray paint when I'm using a darker glitter, but because I've learned that you don't have to waste spray paint.